What's the meaning of chicken run? Chicken run. Chicken run.
Chicken run. Chicken run. Chicken run is a colloquial expression that refers to a situation where a group of people, often employees, leave a company en masse. This can happen for various reasons, such as low pay, poor working conditions, or lack of job satisfaction. The result of a chicken run can be detrimental to the company, which may lose a significant number of its workforce all at once, leading to decreased productivity and potentially damaging its reputation. Conversely, the departing employees may find better opportunities elsewhere and achieve higher job satisfaction.